How to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to add audio spectrum in CapCut. To begin with, first thing first, open the CapCut application and log in. After logged in, you simply want to click on the edit section and open up a new project, or you may go with the existing one as well. Now let's see, this is the following video. Now then, you click on the add button and it's going to be added to your timeline. Next, you want to click on the timeline, and then you want to click or just swipe down or swipe towards your left hand side corner and go to text section over here. And when you go to the text section, then you could go to stickers. As you go to the stickers section at the top, you want to tap on the search and type in audio spectrum. So when you type in audio spectrum or just type in spectrum, and when you locate it, so you could just go ahead and add in. So then here it is. You could then go ahead and adjust it wherever you want. And this is how you could add audio spectrum to CapCut. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.